First word. Cave. Cave means gufa. Let's see one example. Lion lives in cave. शेर गुफा में रहता है. Second word. Produce. Produce means उत्पादित करना. Let's see one example. Farmer produces vegetables. किसान सब्जी उत्पादित करता है. Third word. Brass. Brass means कांस्य. Let's see one example. India wins brass medal in hockey. भारत ने हॉकी में कांस्य पदक जीता. Fourth word. Slight. Slight means थोड़ा. Let's see one example. Move there slightly. वहाँ थोड़ा हटो. Fifth word. About. About means के बारे में. Let's see one example. Tell me about yourself. और बताओ अपने बारे में. To be updated, hit subscribe button and press bell icon.